Hello, my name is Ken Weller, and this is the first of a series of videos I will be doing as I start a new business, and I'll be doing videos showing every step of the way, from coming up with an idea to doing a prototype to getting that production model ready to getting a patent on that item, setting up the business, figuring out sales strategies through eBay, Amazon, or website. All of this will be an entirely new process for me. I've had several businesses in the past, but I've never had one quite like this. This all began back in December of 2019. I had been in the construction business and was in the process of retiring from that business and trying to make a decision as to whether I would continue to do some construction work or if I would just completely get out of the construction business and start this business. I've always, for the past few years, I've been interested in starting some kind of a business that would be home-based, internet-based, and using some of the later technology. This business centers a lot around 3D printing, and I'll be going through the steps, everything from when I came up with the ideas back in December to when I started learning how to use 3D CAD software in December, to where I printed my first 3D part ever in late December. And since then I have continued to design and make parts. I have come up with some final products. One of them is complete. I've done the drawings, submitted those, and have a patent pending now on that product, and I'll be working on patents for the other two items also. I'll be showing you all of the processes, all of the steps I've had to go through to do this, including technical information about the 3D printing process and setting up. If you've never done any 3D printing before, watch those videos, and I'll show you everything from the beginning, getting started with a 3D printer. Same thing with the 3D CAD, designing your part. I'll be going through and explaining that on some of the videos. The process of getting the patent, I'll be going through that and show you how I came up with the drawings and the detail description and everything for that. I also used a patent attorney to file that patent. I'll explain the pros and cons of that. You're going to have to set up a business. I've met with attorneys and CPAs, and for my purposes, the best solution is for me to set up an LLC, a limited liability corporation, that will protect me in a liability standpoint. And so I'll be going through all of that and giving you an idea of what the costs are there, as well as the cost of getting your patents and so forth, and even the cost of making parts using 3D printers and so forth. I'll also go into how you're going to market and sell your product. YouTube is very important. This is my very first YouTube video. I was able to get some lighting, a microphone, a camera, and you're watching the very first video, so you'll have to excuse me if it may seem a little awkward. I'll be making adjustments to sound, lighting, and so forth. The videos to come will be a little more interesting. I won't be sitting here talking to you. I'll actually have cameras set up from multiple angles, showing different things, showing the setup of the 3D printer, showing the process of getting drawings for your patents, showing some of the things involved in doing a YouTube video for your business, and trying to get out there. The actual purpose of these videos is to show someone else what's involved in starting a business, and to give them a template or an example to follow. A lot of people have ideas, but they're just overwhelmed with all of the questions. Well, how would I ever go about it? What would be involved? What would I have to do? Well, I'm having to do all of these things, and I've been doing them since last December. And it's now July, or the 1st of August, and in the past 8 months, I have accomplished quite a bit. So I'll be able to do quite a few videos to get caught up, but I'll also be doing the videos to show these products. I'll be able to present one of them to you here shortly, that I now have the patent pending on it, and you can look at it and see not only how I got to that point, to this finished product, but also look at the finished product and tell me what you think. Was it a good idea? Is it something that's going to be practical and that I can market and sell and that people will be able to use? So those will be a lot of the things to come, and I hope that you will watch the videos that I have to come. I appreciate you watching this video and look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you for watching.